Professor Tōڵi. I work at Imperial College in West London, and I'd very much like to welcome and encourage you to attend the second Middle East Thyroid Summit. The organising committee have to be congratulated in being able to collect a very eminent field of local and international leaders in the specialty. It's a multidisciplinary feast of education that is of interest to any clinician working within the field. I feel that an investment in your time will be very worthwhile. And finally, I would like to say that the programme has been reviewed by senior members of the World Congress of Thyroid Cancer Board, and the organising committee have been congratulated on the quality of the programme and have endorsed it on behalf of the World Congress of Thyroid Cancer Academy. I'm sure that this will be a very successful meeting, and I look forward to seeing you on the 27th and 28th of August in Iraq.